Detective Ace, a brilliant cyber sleuth, received a call about a high-stakes cybercrime. The city's power grid was under attack, causing chaos. Ace dove into the digital abyss, tracing the hackers' digital footprints. With keen intellect and lightning-fast typing, Ace followed the breadcrumbs through virtual mazes, battling firewall guardians and decoding encrypted messages. Alongside Ace was a savvy AI partner, Byte, providing vital support. As the cyber chase escalated, Ace uncovered a nefarious plot. The hacker, known as Phantom Cipher, aimed to cripple the city and seize control. With time running out, Ace raced to the central server where Phantom Cipher lurked. In a tense showdown, Ace outwitted the hacker, revealing their true identity. It was an embittered former tech genius seeking revenge. Ace apprehended them and saved the city from catastrophe, restoring order to the digital realm. With a satisfied smile, Detective Ace and Byte continued their tireless pursuit of justice in the ever-evolving world of cybercrime.